How's everyone doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Wanted to show you a little bit about what's going on here in Maine today. Check this out. End of October, and we're getting a bunch of snow already. My son's car. Of course, Luna girl. Come on, girl. She be loving the snow already. Everything in the grass is a toy. Get it. Yeah, get it. Oh, get it. What'd you find? You find a little stick? Huh? Did you find a little stick? Come on. Hey. What? Come on, let's go play in the snow. Let's go play in the snow. Yeah. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Another stick? Luna. What? What's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? Come on. Let's go back here. Let's go back here. Come on. You don't need to bring that stick. Come on. Come on. What are you going to do with that? Come on. Come on. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? I don't want to play with that stick. I want you to do your business out here. Hey, you want to go for a ride? Whoa. Do you want to go for a ride? What? Go for a ride? Well, wait a minute. Look at you. You're all tangled up now, darling. There you go. You're a smart girl. Hey, what are you going to do in all this snow, huh? What are you going to do? Are you going to take care of business before we go? Oh, well, we'll probably have to edit that so nobody's offended about a dog peeing. Such a good girl. There you go. So should we go for a ride? Huh? Should we go for a ride? What? Go for a ride? Go bye-bye? Yeah? Let's go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. Yeah. All right. All right. Well, we're going to make a short trip to the store so I can get some gas in my son's car. And of course, I got to get one of them Powerball tickets. I hope everyone has a great evening. Peace and love. Bye.